Let me ask you something. Are you running a Turo business, or are you just letting strangers borrow your car and disrespect you? Because if your guests are bringing your car back late, ignoring your return time, and you're just sitting around waiting there trying to figure out stuff, you're not running a business. You are being controlled. And most hosts don't even realize it. Let me show you exactly what's going on. And it's not guessing. It's not guesswork here. This is straight from the Turo policy. And this is going to keep you getting hemmed up. So let's do a policy breakdown here. First thing you need to understand, Turo gives 30-minute grace period. When a trip ends, very simple, right? After that, the trip is officially late. Now, this is how these charges actually work. So 0 to 29 minutes is late, right? Doesn't count charge. If it goes to 30 minutes to 1 hour and 59 minutes, the guest is going to be charged for a half a day rate. If it goes to 2 hours or more being late, a guest will be charged for a full extra day plus a late fee. And sometimes they can also be getting hit by improper return fee, depending on the situation. So this isn't small. This is real money. This is your money. Now, this is where most hosts fail. Now, here's where you mess up as a host. You don't report it. You wait. You're hoping that they'll bring the car back or respond to you. You try to work well, right? You try to bend backwards for them. Meanwhile, Turo is waiting on you to take action. They don't know what's going on. You're not telling them anything. So this is a step-by-step real system that you need to follow here. So let me walk you through exactly what to do in a situation like this, because I've been through this and this is how I got through. Step 1, you need to message your guest through Turo. The moment that the car is late, you need to message your guest the following message inside the Turo app. Hey, where's the car at? What's going on? No text, no phone, inside the app, because it becomes a legal record. Now, step 2, you need to have them either request an extension or set a boundary. So you tell them either you extend the trip through Turo right now or return the vehicle immediately. Ain't no in between, because guests can request an extension even after the trip ends. It's up to you if you're going to accept it or not. Step 3, you need to report that it's late. Okay, that's critical. After about 30 minutes, you don't wait around. You report late. You go into the trip. You click report an issue. Late. Vehicle is not returned. That starts the official process for Turo to start looking and start stepping in. You ain't done. Step 4, you need to contact Turo. That means you got to get on the phone and call Turo support immediately. Don't wait. You need to tell them. Trip ended. Vehicle not returned. Guest not responding. Now it's documented on their side. Number 5, trust and safety. This is the big one. Now listen carefully, guys. If your car is not returned and the communication breaks down where you can't get in touch with this guest, Turo's trust and safety team steps in. At that point, this is no longer just a late fee. This can move into a vehicle recovery situation. I've been through 2 of them, matter of fact. And if it goes long enough, I'm going to tell you what happens. It can be treated as a potential theft case after extending for non-return situations. That's why you do not wait. Let's talk about prevention, how you can win this, guys. Now, let's talk about this on a complete serious note here. You got to listen. I hope you are listening. Step 1 of this is that you need to set expectations before the trip even starts. You need to let your guests know what late returns is, how you extend, and how they will be reported. It's very simple, very clear. This is what I would tolerate. There's no confusion. This I didn't know. You said it. You send a reminder. You set your apps where you say, hey, send a message. Hey, just a reminder. Your trip ends at this time before it happens, not after. Number 3, you set your controls, and if the vehicle was supposed to be extended last minute and they keep doing this, raise the price. Now you're in control of the situation. This is going to cause them to either bring the car back or pay you more. Number 4, you should already know GPS. Always have GPS in your car so you can track, because once it's late, you got to have eyes on your vehicle. Now, if you're new and you don't want to learn this by getting burnt, that's why I created a book. It's called Starting Out on Turo. This book is going to break down everything that I talk about and much, much more. It's going to go step by step for you. And if you're serious to scaling your fleet up and protecting your business the right way, well, I have a course that's inside this link down in the description. It's called Car Share Genius. This is my course. It's going to get you going. Now, I want to make sure you understand this. This ain't about late returns. This is about having control. Either you're going to run your business or your guest is going to run you over. The choice is yours. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and check out the other videos I have where I talk about bad gas, pricing strategies, scaling your fleet, because I am showing you how to win this game step by step. Make sure you follow. We're just getting started. Take care.